This quick guide will teach you how to recover a deleted Basecamp project. Whether you've accidentally removed a project or need to bring back something you previously thought was unnecessary, don't worry, this tutorial will help you recover your lost projects with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Basecamp's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the Basecamp homepage. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login credentials. You'll want to be on the main dashboard where all your projects are listed. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see various options there, but the one you're interested in is labeled Admin Land. Click on Admin Land. This area is like the control center of your Basecamp account, providing you with management options for your projects, teams, and more. Inside Admin Land, you'll find a list of administrative actions you can take. What you're looking for is the trash section, so go ahead and click on View Everything in the Trash. This section holds all the items that have been discarded from your Basecamp account, including projects, messages, and to-dos. Think of it as a safety net where things go before they're permanently deleted. Now, you'll see a list of all items that have been sent to the trash. Scroll through this list until you find the project you need to recover. Once you've located it, you're just a couple of clicks away from restoration. Click on the project you wish to recover. You'll find an option to restore it. Select this option. Basecamp will promptly bring the project back to your main dashboard, just as it was before you deleted it. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted project in Basecamp. A few things to keep in mind. When you restore a project, it comes back with all its previous data, files, and messages intact. However, remember that items in the trash may be permanently deleted after a certain period, depending on your account settings. So, it's always a good idea to check the trash as soon as you realize something's missing. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to recover your deleted projects in Basecamp. Remember, the key is to act quickly before any automatic deletions take place. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on managing your projects effectively. Thanks for watching and see you next time.